everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Design. Today we are going to do another pour on a 6" by 6" tile, and to start with I'm pouring my base coat or pillow, whatever you want to call it. In this mixture I have Walmart interior paint mixed with a little dash of GAG 800 and a dash of Floetrol. I don't think I mixed any water with this. You can see the base coat is pretty thick, so sometimes if it's too thick I pour tiny bit of water, but for this batch I didn't. The first color that I'm adding, it's a mixture of Golden's Nickel Aho Gold and Color Arts Mango Mambo. The second one, oh my gosh, it's so thick. Let me add some water and dilute it. Sometimes what happens is, like when I mix all my pigments and paints a day ahead, because sometimes I feel like the pigments are still grainy, so I like to leave them a day. It thickens so much that it's very difficult to work with, so I mixed some water with it, and you still can see it's very thick, but I'm sure I can make it work. So the color that I mixed to create that shade of color is, I mixed TLP's Mermaid pigment mixed with Liquitex Basics ink, which is deep turquoise. The third one, this is an experiment. Let's see how it turns into, because I'm not very fond of this color, green. The fourth color that I'm adding, this one is TLP's Groovy mixed with some Quaint Grown Magenta, and I love that color because it gives such a bright like pop on the composition. And the last one is pomegranate mixed with Daxas in purple. So these are my 5 colors that I am going to work with today. The green is kind of my unknown because I never worked with that green, and I'll see how it turns into. At the end, I add the cell activator before I blow. And it's always a good idea to pop those big bubbles that you'll get in your puddle, because if you don't take care of them now, later on they look ugly because they turn into white. You only see the white base coat on those spots. So you better take care of them at this point. If they're big ones, you do, but the little one, they will go away when you blow. So today I'm struggling with back pain, so I'm going to, I raised my tile and blowing them, and hopefully you can see some parts, because it's very difficult to make sure that you are blowing right. At the same time, you are inside the camera, so I apologize for that. I wish I could have blown some cell activator on the gold part, because otherwise it doesn't look nice. Anyway, I have to work with whatever I have right now. At this point, I am going to start modifying my paint, and I'm going to stop talking, and I want you to enjoy and let me know how you feel about this one. The modifying that I'm doing right now, I am using the thicker side of the skewer because I want them to be very deep. And this part I am inspired by, oops, did you see what happened? My tile flown away. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, it can happen, and it did happen to me. Again, I'm going to go back to what I was saying. This part of modification, I was inspired by Cindy Vanderveen. If you have not checked out her channel, please do so. She is extremely talented. So as you can see that I am spinning my composition, so it will open up more, and it is opening up. And after that I will start doing some more modification, but that part mostly I will be using the pointy side of the skewer, kebab skewer. As I am looking at the composition, I would not like the blue and the green as it is, but with the lighter and very delicate composition with the purple and the gold part, the blue and the green is actually highlighting the composition, so I'm happy with them. I should stop now, otherwise I'm going to ruin the whole thing, because I will keep on going because it's so much fun. Anyway, let me bring you down to show you how it looks like. And I feel like it looks really pretty with the like swirly shapes. It turned out really interesting. What do you think? Let me know. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe and ring the bell so whenever I put my new videos you can see them or you get a notification. Thank you.